My name is Pakwan, and sorry to interrupt, but I already did a video of this, but it hangs. Sorry, I have to do a video. Barbie Myra, Barbie Cullen Style, Barbie Scream Here, Barbie Swimming Glam Pool, Barbie you can fashion her, but just color her hair. And then Barbie, a lot of fairies, put up her hair. And Barbie Princess Charm Pool, it's a lever, you can just push it. And then press this heart button to make it down. Little Mermaid area. What? And Jen. Let's move on to the blower. The hair from the Cutting Style Princess. And a brush from the Cutting Style. This is her crown. And her necklace. Ready. And sunglasses from the Barbie Sling Glam Pool. This is the boots from the Barbie Dream. Barbie in a Diamond Castle crown. And Barbie in the Diamond Castle shoes from Lana. And then this tape I made. A mirror. A necklace. A comb from Little Mermaid. Those are my Barbie stuff. So I'm almost done with about. Okay. This is the dress that I got from my first Barbie. The dress that I got from my first Barbie. And these are the boots I got from my Barbie first. My first Barbie doll. But my first Barbie was. Wow, cold. Hello. Ang dumi! Yeah, do not get these. I'm doing a video. Yes, look. Sino ka video mo? Wow. Wow. This is my baby Cardiniana. Wow. The dress. What? Little Mermaid tail. Bakit? Tatlo lang yung binidyo ko eh. Ay, dalawa lang ako. Nilagay mo sa ano? I'm doing that tomorrow again. I'm gonna do that. I'm done.